Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and swatching November's Mani by Me subscription box. And this plate I purchased separately. This is one of their Thanksgiving plates. This is plate M536. I've never done like a designated Thanksgiving set, so this is cute. It has a bunch of like fall themed images. It has like some pie up there, a gravy boat I see, a turkey. It has some like little mice holding corn, and then on the side is what I thought some of the sayings on the side were super cute. It says thick thighs, fall vibes. So cute. It's so very thankful, grateful and blessed, and then fall memories. So yeah, that was cute. I'll link that down below for you guys. Now getting into the box. So this first card is just like an overview of what you are getting. It says, get ready to build your sweetness nail art yet with November's Mani by Me box gingerbread house. This collection captures the sweet and charming vibes of holiday baking, transforming your nails into a festive sugary wonderland. Now the two plates are exclusive to the box, so if you don't get the box, then you can't get them. And then the two polishes are marshmallow, which is an off-white cream, and then cookie crumbs, which is a cool brown creamy finish as well. And then the special gift this month is a reflective glitter. So yeah, so exciting to get into this box. And then this next card here is just like an inspo pic. It says frosted ginger snaps, manicure how to, sprinkle holiday magic and sweetness onto your tips with Mani by Me's gingerbread collection. Blend warm spice tones with sugary textures, creating designs that evoke freshly baked holiday treats. And then here it's just a step-by-step on how to create that look right there on the right hand side. I just want to quickly mention, I know this is for Maniology, but if you don't have like the fancy little plate holder, I use my this candy box that I got from Nail Couture to hold all of my plates in, and they fit perfect. So if you don't have that, I'm sure a lot of us nail girlies have a few of these just sitting out there. They do work really well to hold your plates. So here is another one of their infamous stickers. This is so cute. And here are the two plates that come in this this month's box. This one is so cute. This one has like the peppermint on the top there, and then it also has like the frosting, I don't know, down there on the bottom there. It's, oh my god, I freaking love that. And then the little images in the middle that you can include into your sets just to add like a nice little touch. And then these, they're full images. I'm not sure what to like describe them as. I guess like the signing in the roof of like a gingerbread house. So I'm excited to use that one. And then this one has more of the individual images, and it does have the layering images as well, which I think is so freaking cute. So you can add like the brown as the base and then put the white on top of it like a cookie with the vanilla frosting. I'm so excited to use that. And then it has like piping on the side there, and then it has like a hot cocoa cup, and the one is like a snowman face. It is so cute. And then it has like just the individual cookie that you can use, and those are layered as well. And then here are the two polishes. there is like an off-white, which I'm happy to get because I don't even have a white. And this one is called Marshmallow. It's such a warm toned color. It's so it reminds me of marshmallow or frosting. And then the next color here is Cookie Crumbles. It's a brown, more of like a muted brown. It's a nice shade of brown too. It reminds me of a gingerbread cookie. And lastly, we have the free gift of the month, which is this reflective glitter. I'm not a big fan of glitter because I'm scared it's going to get in my eye, but I think this is such a nice touch to add. It does remind me of like the sprinkles on top that you put on your cookies. So now I'm just going to swatch these two colors, and I'm going to start off with Marshmallow. Obviously it's gonna look really good over black, and it kind of shows up on the white, but I'm not too worried about that because I most likely would put this over a darker shade anyways, most likely the brown, so that doesn't really bother me. And now for Cookie Crumbles, I'm going to pick up this image here of the cookies, obviously. And this color looks good over both the white and the black, so I'm excited about that. So now I just wanted to play with some of the images and try to use the reflective glitter. So I'm going to start with that. And I painted this whole nail with the marshmallow. And now I'm going to go in with a base gel. Because if you can use a regular like top coat or whatever, but it takes forever to dry. If you use a gel base, it's sticky, so the glitter will stick to it, and then you just cure it, brush off the excess. You don't have to wait forever, so that's why I did that. And I cured it for 30 seconds and then brushed it off. Now for the brown nail, I painted that whole nail with the Cookie Crumbles. I'm going to pick up this image that looks like gooey frosting, and I'm going to use the marshmallow to stamp that image on there. I do some reverse stamping. I do fill in like it looks like little sprinkles and has like some stars in there, so I do reverse stamp with that. I don't like it. I think if I did do it, I would just leave it as it is. But I was just curious to see what it looked like with those sprinkles filled in. Like I said, I didn't like it, so. I just filled it in with a red polish, just a regular polish, and then I use Canteen from Maniology. The red polish is from the Dollar Tree, so I can't really link that. But I love this green shade from Maniology, and I will probably be using it a lot for Christmas nail art. And then this is the Yuletide Yellow. This is from their Christmas countdown box. And then I set that aside to dry, and I'm gonna do this peppermint French image, and I'm gonna put that on this nail here, which I colored in with Canteen, or I painted the whole nail with Canteen, and then I'm gonna go in with this image and stamp it at the top. Alright, so what happened was that image was the smaller one and I needed to use the bigger side, so that's all. I just did it again using the bigger image. And I did mess up when I put it on. I kind of like moved my hand, so that's why it came out. And I wasn't too worried about it because it's not like I was wearing these. I was just showing you how that would look over, what that image looked like. So back to this, the Cookie Crumbles nail, I'm applying a layer of the sticky base, and I'm letting that dry for like 30 seconds. And here I'm just showing you what that nail looked like once it was cured. And then I just put the image on like a French tip. And like I said, I didn't like it, the colors, it filled in, I didn't really like it. So again, I'll just leave it plain. And I could have added some more to it, but I'm excited to use this image. So this image, what they did on their live on YouTube, is what made me really excited for this month's box. So lastly, I'm gonna go in with Cookie Crumbles on the reflective glitter, and you have to move fast because you want the polish to be kind of wet so it'll stick. So definitely make sure you have your tools within arm's reach so you can do it quickly. It did mess up on the side, but what you can do is either restamp the image or just go in with a detail brush and make those lines better, but I was just doing this for the sake of the video. And then I went in with one of the smaller images to put inside of the middle of that image. And it's so cute. I'm so excited to do a full set with these nails. I don't know if I'm going to do it for my next video or if I'm going to wait closer to Christmas. But yes, I highly recommend this kit, you guys. It's perfect. It's a nice little treat every month. But yes, I'm not sure when I'm going to be doing this set. But thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and thank whoever has used my Maniology code. I am so grateful. Thank you guys so much.